Here comes my super simple recipe for an extremely delicious and moist sponge cake base that is gluten-free and vegan at the same time. I'm really excited to present it to you in today's video. You can use it as a base for many different cakes, and the taste of the dough can be varied as desired. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my latest video in the future. I still have many recipes in store that I would like to share with you. Support me with a comment or like if you like my recipes. And now, let's get started. Preparing this recipe is incredibly easy. You can't really do anything wrong. Follow the instructions as closely as possible and you will definitely succeed, even if you have no baking experience. Be sure to read the tips on baking time under this video. There you will also find all the ingredients you need for this recipe. What makes this recipe so easy is that you mix all the dry ingredients in one bowl and, as I just showed, the wet ingredients in the other. Then you mix the two together by hand and that's it. You don't even need an electric food processor.
Stay home and pick my brain just to find a way to make it Christmas Day. I dreamed of Santa's golden sleigh, that he could stay with me all day. Christmas time is full of wonder. Friends cannot be put as under. Dreams come true in blaze and glory. There's no room for painful stories.
Cut the sponge cake base in two and fill it with my vegan and gluten-free buttercream and fruit filling. I'll link both recipes for you right here. Have fun with the next video. See you. Bye bye.